Hello there. Hope you are going well. We are also fine here. So yesterday it was the face of Judas Iscariot. The discussion which I have tried to make you understand. It was a story of drawing a mural on the on a wall of a cathedral on the life of on the life of Jesus Christ. So at last, the painter found someone who was really worthy or matchable, who was really appreciable for the case. Now, I like to request you to take down a note regarding the face of Judas is right. Okay, just hold on a second. Write down face of the face of Judas is right by Bonnie Chamberlain is a drama of perfect reality in which God has its touch upon the human being. In fact, the story is a simple telling of the incident, but the inherent theme of the drama or the story is really appreciable, by which the readers have come to realize the reality of the human existence. Now the para change. At first, we see an artist was asked to draw a mural on the wall of a cathedral on the basis of Jesus' life. The artist was much excited to have an opportunity, but when he was about to draw the face of the child's son, he easily got a model and he even finished it. But in the case of Judas Iscariot, when he was about to find that, he not only got into trouble, but he did not even find a single one in his long search. He even brought up a feeling in his heart that he might have completed the work before his death. So he was very much eager, he was very much excited, so that he could easily complete it before his death. But situation somehow or sometime does not prefer human being. It is sometimes out of our control. In this case also the same. Here the artist was searching with his utmost effort, but he did not find anyone suitable who could be the model for the Judas Iscariot. At last, after his long search, when he came to face a person, he put some condition that the person who would be suitable for him must have the pain on his face, must have the images of sin on his face which Jesus himself had gone through. Thus, after a long search, after a long hankering, he at last found a person who was almost suitable. At last, no. Now, the matter is, let me tell you something. At last, when he got the opportunity, he realized that this man is going to be or was going to be suitable for me or for the face of the Judas Iscariot. Right? As everyone, hold on just a second. All the people, hope you are not wasting your time at home. You are reading, I think. Everywhere there is a child who just wastes his time or her time. Because of this pandemic, we are surrounded at home, we are being seized at home, but the situation is not under control. We are trying to overcome. Hopefully this week we are going to start our attending the school. By the way, the matter is, at last he got the person, and he saw the reality of the pain and sin that Jesus himself had gone through. Then he decided that this could be the particular person or the model to draw, to help him draw the face of Judas Iscariot. So at last he completed the drawing. Now para change. In the concluding para, please write down. The story seems to be sounding simple, but it has a very inherent theme. And the theme is God's existence is omnipotence. God is omnipotent, and He is existing all over, everywhere, here and there, in every object. God always present in the aspect of everything. So, in the story, when the artist was looking for a particular model, he was in vain, that he could not have found anybody. But at last, when he found the person, he realized that this could be the model of drawing Judas Iscariot. So, God is our mirror, God is our friend, God is our relative whom we never avoid. If any human being feels that he would ever be able to devoid of God, it would be a vain for him, it would be a futile dream for him to dream. Full stop. That's all the answer. I think you have got it. But apart from that, I like you to read the text thoroughly, give me the knowledge you have got, reply me, and next day after critical appreciation we are going to start with some extra questions. Okay? So take care. We are meeting soon again.